Now, where you get products for this will be on affiliate networks. Now, these networks host these products and courses for a just huge variety of markets and audiences. They will handle all the affiliate payments and commissions. So you make a sale for somebody's product and you will get either an instant or a 30-day delayed payment. Often for, let's say, for example, on ClickBank, you'll sell somebody and get a check for all the sales that you've made promoting their offer in 30 days. Obviously, the more money you make, usually, the faster the payouts come out. Of course, there are affiliate networks that pay out instantly. So the moment you make a sale, the moment a customer buys something from your promotion, the instant that money is routed to either a bank account or a PayPal account. Now, on these affiliate networks, big money is there, in the converting products. If you go through ClickBank, look at the top 10 products. I mean, those products are doing many thousands of dollars per day in sales. Some of them are even doing $10, $20, $30, $50,000. Incredible volume. And it's a kind of a testimony to the products themselves and the position that they have and how they relate to the audience and what that consumer wants to buy. Right? So there's a lot of factors that go into it. It takes a decent level of skill to publish a high converting offer. You need to do your research. You need to understand who your customer is, what products they will buy, what products they've purchased in the past. All these things need to come together for you to publish a high converting offer. So as you can expect, that it's easier to become an affiliate for that offer than it is to publish an author yourself. Now, if you do have a desire to explore product creation, then go ahead and start studying sales and copywriting. Now, this is true for becoming an affiliate because an effective affiliate knows how to sell and knows how to write copy. You don't have to know, you don't have to be the perfect salesman, but you can go ahead and use the discipline of salesmanship and copywriting to help you be a more effective and profitable affiliate. I will say also that a lot of the offers you will be promoting will have content that you can use, including landing pages and email templates and everything else. The general problem with that could be that there's a little bit of saturation in those materials. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. If you roll the dice, generally there isn't. But, if everybody is using the same copy and paste materials, then sometimes that can get a little hairy, It all kind of depends on the market and your traffic source. Because if you promote an offer to a market or a traffic source that has never seen the offer before, then they've never seen any of that material before, and that material will work. But if you beat the same ad network with the same materials, then, they would have seen it. It may be tired. And that's one thing you'll kind of learn as you dive into advertising is that ads get tired. They burn out. People look at them. They go, I know that ad. I'm not interested. Right? Just some food for thought. In this course, we're going to focus on promoting these offers, not creating them, okay? So I'm just going to walk you through how to promote online offers as an affiliate. So just some affiliate networks to talk about. ClickBank, one of the more popular and stable networks out there. There's the Amazon affiliate programs, a lot of consumer products on there to promote. There's ClickBooth, another product offer, Marketplace, Max Bounty, Peerfly, and Whiskey4 or W4. All these networks have products that you can promote as an affiliate. So now in the lecture following this video, I will provide links for these networks.